Good morning, YouTube. It's, as you've noticed, I'm sitting on the wrong side of the car because people here driving on the left hand side because we're in America. So today I'm going to Detroit and going to pick up my friend from Cradock, and then we're going to see what the city has to offer. So two South Africans in the American city. So decided to make a short video just to remember everything that's going on in America. I mean, it's not often I get to come to America, so hope you guys enjoy.
It's 5 a.m. and I'm on the radio. I'm supposed to call you, but I don't know what to say at all. And there's this girl, she wants me to take her home. She don't really love me though. I'm just on the radio. And I'm not gonna tell you that I'm over it, cause I think about it every night, I'm not sobering. I know I keep these feelings to myself, like I don't need nobody else. But you're not the only one on my mind, if I'm being honest. If I'm being honest.
So weird. Now I understand why the Americans all have automatic, because it's impossible to drive something with gears. It's just the weirdest feeling ever, sitting on the wrong side of the car. But yeah, almost there, almost there.
6 years old, I broke my leg. I was running from my brother and his friends, and tasted the sweet perfume of the mountain grass I rolled down. I was younger then. Take me back to when.
Dus ons is nou op pad, wat is hierdie plek? Mere Park, wat een van 'n baseballstadion is. Detroit Tigers, so kyk like 'n binnekant.
In fields and so long I know I've grown, but I can't wait to go home. I'm on my way, driving at 90 down those country lanes, singing to Tiny Dancer.
Ons straai Suid-Afrika in die stad. Kyk, daar is die Foxtower, né?
It's real, we watch the sunset over the castle on the hill. 15 years old and smoking hand-rolled cigarettes, running from the law through the backfields and getting drunk with my friends. Had my first kiss on a Friday night. I don't reckon that I did it right, but I was younger then. Take me back to when we found weekend jobs, and when we got paid, we'd buy cheap spirits and
Ek gaan hom bly.
me and my friends have not grown up in so long. Oh, how we've
Go.
grown. I can't wait. One friend left to sell clothes, and one works down by the coast. One had 2 kids but lives alone. One's brother overdosed. One's already on his second wife. One's just barely getting by, but these people race me and I come